How to turn off inverted camera on your iPhone. So if you were to take a picture like you normally would with your selfie camera, you would take a photo and it would automatically invert the photo. As you see here, the photo is backwards, even though the camera is showing me the original correct angle. So what you want to do to fix that is come out of your camera, go into your settings, and you want to scroll down until you see where it says camera, and then go down to where it says composition, and you want to turn on mirror front camera. So what that's going to do is it's going to take the picture in the correct orientation and it will not invert your picture. So if we were to go back in the camera and then you take another photo, now it's in the correct orientation. So look here, this is the correct way it's supposed to look. And then if you were to go into the photo that I just took, and there it is. It did not invert the photo, and you can now take the correct orientation pictures. And that's it.